Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your device isn't compatible with this version on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Android mobile phone, and sometimes when we install an application on Play Store, we'll get this problem. Your device isn't compatible with this version, and if you face this problem on your Play Store guys, you can try to fix it by updating your Google Play Store. I'm going to go to my Play Store application. Okay, open up the Play Store and you're going to go to the Play Store setting. You can click on this profile icon on the top right, and then you're going to scroll down until you find the settings. In the settings menu, you can select about, and then you're going to scroll down until you find the Play Store version. And then you're going to click on update Play Store. Okay, and as you can see, my Play Store is up to date. Okay, and then when you have updated your Google Play Store and then the problem is still not solved, you can try to clear the cache of your Play Store or clear the app data. So you're going to go to the setting, open up your settings application, and then you're going to go to the app setting. Where is it? Okay, open up the apps, and then you're going to find the Play Store. Wait, let me find my Google Play Store. Okay, this one. And then you're going to go to the storage and clear the cache. Okay, I recommend you to clear the cache so your data in Play Store won't be deleted. However, when you have cleared the cache and then the problem is still there, you can try to clear the app data. You can click on clear data right here. And if you clear the app data, your Google account data will be deleted. So you need to relog in to Play Store. Okay. And to clear the cache, you can also tap and hold on your Google Play Store on the app screen like this. And then you're going to click on this menu, and the app info will be opened, and you're going to click on storage and clear the cache or clear the data. Okay guys, and those are the methods you can try to fix your device isn't compatible with this version problem on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!